Hello there. Welcome to Amber Arden TV. Today I'm going to be answering 73 questions as fast as I can.
What's your favorite movie?
Snow White.
Favorite movie in the past 5 years?
That's hard. Wonder Woman.
Favorite Hitchcock film?
Psycho.
A book you plan on reading?
Oh, Smoke Gets in Your Eyes.
A book you read in school that positively shaped you?
Midsummer Night's Dream.
Favorite TV show that's currently on air?
Curious Creations of Christine McConnell.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you about life?
I am a 10. Because I believe it. No, I'm just kidding.
iPhone or Android?
iPhone.
Twitter or Instagram?
Instagram. Doing it for this gram. I'm doing it for the gram.
Who should everyone be following right now?
I believe it's Silk and Thistle on Instagram. They make the most adorable little sculptures.
What's your favorite food?
Ooh, that's hard. Barbecue.
Least favorite food?
Least favorite, deep fried food.
What do you love on your pizza?
Mushrooms. Put it on the pizza.
Favorite drink?
Iced tea.
Favorite dessert?
Earl Grey cake.
Dark or milk chocolate?
Dark.
Coffee or tea?
I love coffee.
What's the hardest thing about being Amber?
The hardest thing about being Amber is to not be in costume all the time. I love dressing up.
What's your favorite band?
My favorite band? It would be, that's hard. I really love Gorillaz.
Favorite solo artist?
Damon Albarn.
Favorite song?
Whew, that's hard. Well, my favorite song currently would be Broken Bells. Broken Bells, The Ghosts Inside.
If you could sing a duet with anyone, who would it be?
If I could sing a duet, it would be Katy Perry.
If you could master one instrument, what would it be?
Piano.
If you had a tattoo, where would it be?
On my leg.
To be or not to be?
That is the question.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Bird or whale watching?
Bird watching.
Best gift you've ever received?
All my friends.
Best gift you've ever given?
Hugs. Cool.
Actually, last gift you gave a friend?
Advice.
What's your favorite board game?
Candyland.
Favorite place to visit?
Disneyland.
What's the last country you visited?
Belize.
What country do you wish to visit?
Tokyo.
Favorite color?
Pink.
Diamonds or pearls?
Diamonds.
Heels or flats?
Heels. Always.
Pilates or yoga?
Yoga.
Jogging or swimming?
Swimming, because I am a mermaid.
Best way to de-stress?
Actually making projects.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
I think it would be to fly.
Weirdest word in the English language?
Oh, how about the weirdest word? I think it's, I just don't know. Chrysanthemum? That's a weird word.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower? It would be roses. Roses.
When was the last time you cried?
Oh, yesterday.
Do you like your handwriting?
No.
Do you bake?
Yes.
What is your least favorite thing about yourself?
That I doubt myself.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
That I'm kind or happy. I think happy. That I could be cheerful and cheery. What?
What would be looking to take the camera?
Okay.
Whom do you miss the most?
I miss my Pomeranian, Mochi Bear.
What are you listening to right now?
1950s music.
Favorite smell?
Jasmine.
Who was the last person you talked to on the phone?
Eric. Fat Man Photography.
Who's the last person you sent a text to?
Brandon Toy.
A sport you wish you could play?
Soccer.
Hair color?
Dark brown.
Eye color?
Hazel.
Scary film or happy endings?
Always happy endings.
What's your favorite season?
Fall.
3 people, alive or dead, that you would like to have dinner with?
Albert Einstein. Audrey Hepburn. And Vincent van Gogh.
Hugs or kisses?
Hugs.
Rolling Stones or the Beatles?
Beatles.
Where were you born?
I was born Glendale, California.
What's the furthest you've been from home?
Belize, Bahamas. I think the Bahamas.
Sweet or savory?
Savory. Should I be doing something with my hands or is it okay?
If you want, lipstick or lip gloss?
Lipstick matte.
What book have you read again and again?
It'll be Midsummer Night's Dream.
Favorite bedtime story?
3 bears. Where the wild things are.
What would be the title of your autobiography?
Amber. The little girl who could.
Favorite sound?
Birds chirping.
Favorite animal?
Pomeranians.
Who's your girl crush?
I believe it would be Girl Crush right now. Huh? Because I have a bunch. Tracy Hines.
Last photograph you took?
That I took of my outfit of the day here in my room.
That's it. 73.
Wow.
Well, throw some
Is there other
Disney
additional
movies
ones? Like,
So bonus Disney round.
okay, Disney round.
up. Favorite princess?
Snow White.
Least favorite princess?
None. I love them all.
Favorite villain?
Maleficent.
Favorite Disneyland park ride?
Oh, that's hard. I think I like Storybook Land or the Storybook Ride. Storybook Ride.
Favorite thing to eat at Disneyland?
All the treats. Rice Krispie treat on a stick, dipped in frosting.
If you could live in one attraction, what would it be?
Live in one attraction. It would be, I think, Small World. I would live in there. I can wear all their clothes if I can, or wear their hats. They fit me. I can wear the clothes. I'll go and like grab them all and give them hugs.
Last Disney movie you watched?
Last Disney movie I watched, it would be, I think, Incredibles 2. Yeah.
What's the first memory you have of watching a Disney movie? What's the first?
The first memory I can remember would be Lion King in a drive-in.
Which
Yeah.
Disney movie makes you cry the most?
Dumbo. Oh, Dumbo. Ah. Baby, I'm mine. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, or the buddy will get you.